Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan equipped with the Adaptive Vans side entry power ramp. To operate the ramp, you will use your key fob to hit the sliding door button here. This is going to open the door. You can then use this secondary key fob to bring the ramp out. Let's go ahead and check out the setup. So this is going to be the fold-out ramp, and the width on this ramp is going to be 29 inches. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 54 inches. In the middle, you will have the wheelchair user. Going on to the back, you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And in the front, you will have passenger removable front seat. And this van here only has 61,000 miles. To bring the ramp back in, you will use your key fob once again to hit this button here. This is going to bring in the ramp. You can then use your main key fob to close the door. Let's go ahead and check out the rear hatch. This one's going to have the automatic liftgate. It will also have a backup camera. Back here, you will have this spare tire. And as you guys can see, we provide everyone with a set of manual straps. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping. But if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 61,000 miles. You will also have a touchscreen infotainment system with a backup camera. Here is the view of the front. Here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.